Hello everyone, and this is your boy. In this video we're gonna talk about how can we write the less messy code, or we can say the bit cleaner code, and we're gonna try to use some good programming practices in this video. Okay, can you see that I have used the text widget for the 5 times, and it doesn't look messy at this point, but whenever you try to make any large project and you repeat the things like that, it's gonna be really hell messy. Okay, how can we make a clean code of it? All right, so what we're gonna do now, all you need to do here is you have to click the right click on the widget. Okay, then you will go on that extract method. Okay, you will write the name of the method. Okay, this is cool. Okay, I have created the method for the text widget, which will give me the text widget in return, but with the different font families. Okay, so how we gonna do that? We're gonna simply put a parameter here, string parameter. Okay, I'm gonna put that string here. Okay, so what we're gonna do now, everything is fine here. All you need to do here is to write the name of family of the font. Okay, so what was its name? I don't remember. It was, I guess, Roboto. Yeah, it was Roboto. So I'm gonna delete this. Okay, I don't really remember the name of the font family, so I'm gonna take a help from my asset folder. So Narco 1, we're good here. Let's run the code again. Hope we don't get any error here. Okay, it's working fine. And making your code clean is a good programming practice. Okay, I hope you have learned about the extracting the method, which really makes your code more clean and make it look more professional and less messy. So if you really find this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe the channel, and till the next video, tata, bye bye, and take care.